Financial freedom is a mental, emotional, and educational process. It's a journey that requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. This powerful quote from my radio show highlights the true essence of wealth building. It's about understanding the deeper meaning of financial independence. It's not just about stacking up cash. It's about gaining control over your life, your choices, and your future. Financial freedom empowers you to live life on your own terms. We all have dreams, big and small. Maybe you yearn to travel the world, own your dream home, or simply enjoy a comfortable retirement. These dreams are within reach. Achieving these dreams requires a solid foundation of financial stability. It's about making informed decisions and planning for the future. Unfortunately, many people struggle with financial stress and uncertainty. This can lead to sleepless nights and constant worry. Unexpected bills, debt payments, and the rising cost of living can feel overwhelming. These challenges can make it seem impossible to get ahead. But there's hope. It's never too late or too early to take charge of your finances and start building a brighter future. Small steps can lead to big changes. The first step is simply deciding to make a change. Commit to your financial goals and take action today. You've probably heard the saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The same rings true for building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Imagine two people, both wanting to retire with $1 million. Person A starts investing at age 25, while person B waits until age 45. Even if they invest the same amount of money, person A will likely reach their goal much faster and easier, thanks to the power of compound interest, which we'll discuss in the next section. Remember, even small, consistent efforts can make a huge difference over time. The key is to start now and let time work its magic. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Why? Because it allows your money to grow exponentially over time. Simply put, compound interest is interest on interest. When you invest your money, it earns interest. But here's the exciting part. That earned interest is then reinvested, and it starts earning interest too. This snowball effect can lead to incredible growth over the long term. The longer your money compounds, the more powerful its effects become. This is why starting early is so crucial. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, don't underestimate the power of compound interest to transform your financial future. Section 4. Learning from our financial fumbles. We've all made financial mistakes. It's part of being human. These mistakes can range from minor oversights to major financial blunders that can have long-lasting impacts on our lives. Maybe you overspent on a credit card, invested in a risky scheme, or simply didn't save as much as you should have. These are common scenarios that many of us have faced at some point. The good news is that mistakes can be valuable learning experiences. The key is to acknowledge them, understand why they happened, and use that knowledge to make better decisions in the future. This process of reflection and learning is crucial for financial growth. One common mistake is relying too heavily on credit cards. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that credit is free money. While credit cards can be useful tools, high interest rates can quickly turn into a debt trap. This can lead to a cycle of debt that is hard to break free from. Another pitfall is failing to budget effectively. Without a clear plan, managing finances can become overwhelming. Without a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's easy to overspend and derail your financial goals. This can lead to financial stress and anxiety. Remember, every financial journey has its bumps along the way. These challenges are part of the learning process. The important thing is to learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. With each step, you become more financially savvy and resilient. Section 5. Your Wealth Building Toolkit. Simple steps for a richer tomorrow. Ready to start building your wealth? Great! Here are a few practical steps to get you started. First, create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. This is the foundation of any solid financial plan. Identify areas where you can cut back and free up more cash for saving and investing. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Next, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This is crucial for financial security. This will provide a financial cushion for unexpected events and help you avoid going into debt. Peace of mind is invaluable. Third, pay down high-interest debt. Credit cards, personal loans, and payday loans often come with exorbitant interest rates. These can be a major drain on your finances. Prioritize paying these down as quickly as possible to save money and improve your credit score. A good credit score opens up more financial opportunities. Finally, start investing. Explore different investment options, such as low-cost index funds or retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs. Investing is key to growing your wealth. Start small and gradually increase your contributions over time. Consistency is more important than the amount you start with. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, dedication, and a long-term perspective. Be patient, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Every step forward is a step towards a richer tomorrow. Section 6. Painting your future with financial security. Imagine a life where you're not constantly worried about money. A life where you have the freedom to pursue your passions, support your loved ones, and enjoy peace of mind. That's the power of financial security. Building wealth isn't just about accumulating riches. It's about creating a life of greater opportunity and fulfillment. When you're financially secure, you have the ability to weather unexpected storms, make choices that align with your values, and leave a lasting legacy for future generations. The journey to financial freedom might require sacrifices and discipline, but the rewards are immeasurable. Section 7. It's your move. Start building your wealth today. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Don't let another day go by without taking action towards your financial goals. Remember, even small steps can lead to significant progress over time. Start by creating a budget, paying down debt, and exploring investment options. The path to wealth building might not always be easy, but it's undoubtedly worth it. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and watch as your financial future transforms before your very eyes. You've got this.